Hey guys, so this is going to be the last in the series of videos regarding the old 1946 Power Machinery Limited saw out of made in Vancouver, BC in about 1946. There's a whole series of videos on this, so if you'd like to see the work and effort it took to get this puppy going, just look at the other videos. I'll link it below in the description and make it hopefully obvious for you to see those other videos. But in this video, we are going to try to get this thing going. So that's going to be the goal here, is to fire it up for you guys and see that it actually runs. So hey, let's get after it. There you have it. So there we have it, the 1946 Power Machinery Limited chainsaw. That will be likely the last time I ever fire this saw up. It will be a wall hanger. Um, it's heavier than heck and kind of dangerous, frankly. So the challenge for me was to get it going, which, as you can see, we've done, given her a really good run here. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this series of how-to videos. I don't suppose anybody else is working on a 1946 Power Machinery chainsaw, but in case you are, hopefully this helped you a little bit. And just kind of fun. You know, it's great to have a wall hanger, but it's also great to have a wall hanger that you know runs. So I'm going to drain all the gas out of this thing and try to store it in a way that if somebody ever wants to start it again, they can. But for me, that was the beginning and end of the challenge. I'm now going to hang it up somewhere in the garage and just enjoy looking at this beautiful beast. So, anyways, hope everybody's doing well. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And have a great day.